Over 60% of transactions on eBay are touched by mobile. The eBay mobile app has been downloaded over 380 million times. When shopping on a mobile, good photos are more important than ever when someone's choosing what to buy. Let's talk about what you can do to maximise your chances of getting the sale. Including more photos on your listing can help increase sales and reduce the number of questions and return requests you get. As mobile shopping evolves, it could even increase your listing's chances of being found when someone searches by taking a photo. Instead of uploading only 1 or 2 photos, add as many as you can. Shoot multiple angles. Take photos of model numbers if it's important for your customers to see exactly which one you're selling. Show the brand name. Depending on the category, you may also need to include a photo which gives the item scale. And use the best shot for your main photo. That's the one which needs to catch a potential buyer's eye on the search results page. And finally, if you put photos in the description field, move them out and put them in the gallery instead. It's so much easier for potential buyers to see them, especially when they're shopping on a mobile. So, if you want to increase sales and reduce returns, adding more photos to your listings can help. Find out when new tips are published, subscribe to our channel on YouTube, and click the bell icon to enable notifications. YouTube will let you know as soon as new videos are available.